May 31st, 2018, I believe. I'm going to put the gas tank on and the rear fender. You'll have to put the rear fender on first. One thing good with the gas tank, and I'll show you what I've done here, I modified this slightly. It's good every couple of years to clean it out. You just take the gas tank off, put some gas in here, and shake it around, and then shake it onto a paper towel. But what I've done is this. This was a great idea that I came up with because the bike was only going so fast. And I thought, well, maybe I'm not getting the gas flow that I need because of the tank. So what I did was I took the valve off right here, and it has a nipple right here, rubber nipple. It is what's called a vacuum nipple, and that goes right onto your carb, which is right here on your regular carb. And what that does is when your carb is actually running, when your bike is running, this sucks vacuum. When that sucks vacuum, it goes along the hose to this valve, and this sucks vacuum and opens this valve and allows gas to go through, or petrol, or whatever you want to do. What I did was I took this off and drilled a hole all the way through the valve here so that this vacuum thing doesn't work at all. And then I had my really neat Rube Goldberg, very complicated effort to run the gas through into a filter, and this is an on and off fuel valve, which doesn't really do me much good. But if I'm going to put it in storage, then I have to have an on and off valve. With the vacuum valve, when your motor's off, your gas tank is automatically shut off. It's a safety switch, because chances are, if you get in a wreck with a moped, the car is going to be in an upright position and the moped is going to be not. It's going to be laying down. And what that does, the valve, it stops the gas from leaking out of your bike and starting a fire and blowing up the whole block. So the rear fender goes on first, which I've cleaned up. Then the gas tank will go on. And I've already taken this rear fender, and of course this has already been repainted along with all the rest of the parts, and the rest of the parts have got some water on them. But I just have to keep going and get things done. I haven't been working on it lately because I've been up at 5 o'clock in the morning taking care of clients, and they require a lot of mental acuity and a lot of my time. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to do it with the camera off.